there are two terms which can be used in coordination compound. The first one is the coordination sphere and second one is the coordination number. Now this coordination number, in short, you can say that is CN. That is, C stand for coordination and N stand for number. So you can say CN or a coordination number. We shall discuss one by one. What is coordination sphere? Coordination sphere is a sphere in which central metal ion and ligand are present in a square bracket. Such a sphere is known as coordination sphere. Now there are two spheres which is utilized for the writing the formula of a coordination compound. The first bracket is like this. Such bracket is known as parenthesis bracket. In this parenthesis bracket, only multi-atomic ligand are written. Now multi-atomic ligand, what are the multi-atomic ligand? Multi-atomic ligand are the ligand in which more than one atoms are present. Such ligand are known as multi-atomic ligand. For example, NH3. In this, one nitrogen and three hydrogen are present. Then such type of ligand is a multi-atomic ligand. Then you can write that is H2O. It is also a multi-atomic ligand. Then you can write EN, that is ethylene diamine. In short, you can say, or you can say that is a oxalate ion. It is also a multi-atomic ligand. Monoatomic ligand, you can say that is Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. These are the monoatomic ligand. Now in this parenthesis bracket, only multi-atomic ligand are written like this. These are the multi-atomic ligand having a more than one atom in their structure or molecule. Now the second one is, that is such type of bracket. Such type of bracket is known as, that is a square bracket. Now in this square bracket, whole of the formula, that is central metal ion and ligand are written. Then I will show the whole of the structure like this. Here this one is the bracket. In the starting, central metal ion are written, and in this parenthesis bracket, ligand, multi-atomic ligand are written, and whole of the bracket is closed. Now such type of bracket is known as, that is a coordination sphere. In coordination sphere, central metal ion and ligand are present. Whole of the formula is shown in such type of bracket. Such sphere is also known as coordination sphere. Now second one is the coordination number. For writing such a bracket, we can also discuss the example, that is Fe Cn/6 4 negative. That is the coordination sphere. In this, the first atom is a central metal ion, and the molecule which is written in the parenthesis bracket, like in this bracket or in this bracket, this one is the ligand. So whole of the bracket is closed. Such bracket is known as coordination sphere. Okay. Now the second one is the coordination number. What is coordination number? As you know, we shall take the example, that is Fe Cn/6 4 negative. Now in this, C central metal ion and coordinate central metal ion and cyanide is present. That is a ligand. Now in this, what is going on? One central metal ion is surrounded by a ligand. There are 6 ligands which are surrounded to the central metal ion. We can write the structure like this. That is 1Fe. That is the first cyanide, second cyanide, third cyanide, fourth one, and the remaining are perpendicular to the plane of like this. All the 6 ligands are surrounded to the central metal ion. Now in this way, what is coordination number? Coordination number is nothing but the number of ligands which are surrounded to the central metal ion. What is that definition? That is a number of ligands surrounded by CMI. That is known as coordination number. Now in this way, FeCN by 6. In this complex compound, what is the number of ligand? That is the number of ligand are 6. That is 6 cyanide are surrounded to the central metal ion. That's why its coordination number is, or a CN number is equal to 6. Another example you can take, that is Pp. NH3 by 4 Cl2. Here the number of ligand are 2 types. That is first one is NH3 by 4 and second one is the Cl2. That is a amine and chlorine. Here 4 amine and 2 chlorine. That's why number of ligand or coordination number is equal to 6. So in this way we can set the coordination number. What is coordination number? Coordination number is nothing but the number of ligands which are present in a complex compound. You have to count the number of ligands which are present or surrounded in this square bracket. Okay. So in this way we have discussed today. There is a coordination number. Coordination number is a coordination square. What is coordination square? Coordination square is a square in which central metal ion and ligand are present. That is known as a coordination square. We can write this in this way. In the starting of the bracket, that is CMI, that is the central metal ion is present, and in parenthesis bracket, multi-atomic ligand are written. If monoatomic ligand are present, then it is written in this way. Second one is the coordination number. Coordination number is nothing but a number of ligands which are surrounded to the central metal ion. In this, FeCN by 6, only 6 ligands are surrounded to the paras. That's why this one, its coordination number is 6. We can also take the example that is FeCO by 4. Now, in this, what is the coordination number of this complex compound? If you understand, then write me or message me in the comment box. What is the coordination number of this complex compound? Okay. Remaining we shall discuss in the next video.